Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my June Boxycharm unboxing. We are going to be opening up both the base box and the premium box to compare. I have Emmett here hanging out with me and helping me with this video, so if you hear cute baby noises, he is right here. I do plan on doing a quarterly Boxycharm review video because this is the third month in a row that I've gotten both the base box and the premium box, so we can really see if upgrading to premium is worth your money, maybe which subscription is a better choice for you if you're not like me and getting both of them, if Boxycharm in general is the right choice for you. So be on the lookout for that video. I'm hoping to do that here pretty soon now that I have all 6, I guess, boxes. Let's just hop right in to the base box. The base box contains 5 full-size products, costs $25 US per month. With the exchange rate plus shipping, I pay about 40 Canadian dollars. And they promise a retail value inside of over $125. The theme this month is Boxycharm the Oasis. I have variation number 20. Alright, let's just jump right in. We have a product from Kylie Skin. This is the foaming face wash. Now, I am not a Kardashian Jenner fan, I guess, so this brand never interested me. However, I did watch one review video on this brand from Caroline Hirons, who is one of my favorite skincare bloggers, influencers. She hates that word. And though she hates foaming face washes in general, this is actually her favorite product from the line. So I'm excited to give this a try. This retails for $24 US, so that would be 30 Canadian dollars. And it looks really nice. It says this gentle formula cleanses the skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. Now, Caroline did say she would prefer to use this as a morning cleanser, that it won't do the job to remove your makeup well enough to use in the evening if you did have makeup on that day, but that is a thumbs up for me. Next, I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Weightless Setting Spray. I have seen amazing promo videos of this on Instagram where they have a bunch of swatches on both arms, spray one arm, and they do not budge. So I have high hopes for this, especially in the summertime. I'm almost done with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and I really do like something that will lock in my makeup with all of the heat and humidity. This retails for $32 US. I am really excited for this. However, the other variation options, there was a Touch and Soul palette, Zoeva palettes, neither of those I was interested in. This product, the First Aid Beauty new body scrub that Kathleen Lights has been raving about, so I would have been happy with that as well. But there are also Shared Planet palettes that I was really hoping I would get, but I mean, I'm happy with this one as well. That's the thing with like so many variations, it's like hard to get your heart set on any of the products before you actually know what you're receiving in your own box. This was my choice item this month. This is from Tula. It's the Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. This retails for $28 US. I thought this would feel really nice in the summer, in the morning time, just a cooling, like a gel-based eye cream, eye gel to swipe on the under eyes and depuff in the mornings. It is illuminating. I believe there are some like shimmer particles, which I don't love, but at the same time, this was my choice and I am excited to try it, and I think I will get a lot of use out of it. Next up, I have the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek Palette, Cream to Powder, Shades of Nude. This retails for $24 as well. Ooh. I am getting more into cream products, as a lot of people are, so I'm actually really excited to try this. I've seen swatches online. I'm not ready to touch mine, but we have a blush, bronzer, and a highlight. I'm not sure if the bronzer shade is going to be a good like tone for my skin tone, so I will definitely have to try it out. But the highlight looks really beautiful, as well as the blush. So this is another win product for me. Lastly in my box, this is KAB Lip Liner and Lip Gloss Duo. This retails for $40. Apparently this brand was created by like a Real Housewife. I'm not sure of what state. I don't watch that show, but I think it was Kelly Strack mention that in her video, her Boxycharm unboxing. This is the biggest lip gloss I've ever seen in my life. 6 grams, or I can't even read that, 0.2 ounces. I'm not sure how that compares to the rest of my lip glosses, but like the actual packaging on this is massive. And these are in the shade Charming. This looks like a ColourPop lip liner. I think these are quite overpriced. $40 for this product I would not pay. However, the colors look nice and summery, so I'm going to keep these and give them a try. I'm happy with this product. It's not one of the wow products for me, but I'm not mad about it. So that was everything I received in my June Boxycharm. I am really happy with this box. Is it the best box I've ever received? No, but I'm going to actually keep and use all 5 products. All 5 products are cruelty-free to my knowledge. So this was a really good box. Definitely a redemption box for last month. Last month was terrible. The value of this base box was $148 US, so they made it over the $125 promise. Let me know if you would be happy with this box if you received it. Moving on to the June premium box. This box retails for $35 US, so $10 more. Promises 6 to 7 full-size products with a retail value of over $175 US. Again, the theme is the Oasis, and for this I have variation 32. The first product I'm going to show you I actually have sitting to the side. I did open these because I could smell something really strongly in my premium box, and this Skin & Co. Roma Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel actually leaked over my box quite significantly. This product retails for $22 US. It's a very pricey body wash. It does smell good, and I will get use out of it. I emailed Boxycharm's customer service, and so Jeremy arrived with my package while I was cooking dinner. I emailed them right away, and before I was finished cooking supper, they emailed me back and had put in an order for a replacement product. So this month is the second month in a row that I've had an issue with my Boxycharm Premium. However, for the June Premium box, customer service was amazing. I will link up in the cards my May Boxycharm video if you want to hear what happened with my Premium box there. But I was not happy with that customer service experience last month, and I am very happy with their timely response this month. So I will be getting a replacement for this product. If it hadn't have leaked over my box, then I still would have been like happy about getting a shower gel. It's something that you will use up if you like the scent of it. It's a very practical product. Next in my premium box, this is from Glow Recipe. This is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask for moisturizing and firming. Oh wow, this is adorable. I will have to look up what type of retinol they use in this and its shelf life, because I am breastfeeding and you are not supposed to use retinol products while you are breastfeeding. This retails for $49 US and is a product that I have always been interested in. So this is very exciting. My choice item for my June premium box was this Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek in the shade Halo. It says the sheer blush and lip stain packed with hydrating rice bran oil for a shimmering wash of color. The promo photos for this on Milk Makeup's Instagram look so dewy and beautiful. I'm a little concerned with how it's going to look on my more oily skin and enlarged pores on my cheek, but if it looks good, I think it's going to be amazing, and if it doesn't look great on the cheeks, I can always use this on my lips. Okay, Emmett was completely sick of sitting in his little bouncer chair, so he's joining us for the rest of this video. Next is a very exciting product, but I don't know if I should keep it or not. This is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, and I believe everybody got this. Why I don't think I really haven't decided. I really want to keep it, but I might toss it in my next giveaway. I'm really unsure yet, so I won't swatch it. But this is absolutely stunning. Retails for $44. The packaging on this, I just love the packaging so much. It's a little weird that they also put a Too Faced chocolate bronzer in last month. I can't even get this open. Here's what the palette looks like. It's one of those, I can't even show you without blinding you. It's one of those palettes that tries to suit every skin tone. I could probably use 4 of the 6 shades, and then I would have to use the other 2 as eyeshadows, which I have hundreds of eyeshadows, so that's why I'm a little hesitant to keep it. Why I think this product is funny for me is because I actually still have the original Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette. This is ancient, and if I were to keep the new one, then this would be a top priority to pan. I could do a pan that face palette or something, but it still smells like chocolate, and I've used it, you know, not too long ago, and it still works perfectly fine. There's a huge dip in light cocoa, but yeah, I just thought that was funny that now like I have the OG one this is from like 2014 or 2015, and then the newer release. To go along with that, this is from Billion Dollar Brows and is their Sculpting Duo brush. This retails for $30. No, I'm sorry. I don't mean to be rude. This is the second time we've gotten ridiculously priced brushes in the premium box to up its value. And BH Cosmetics brushes are weightier and feel better quality than this does. So yeah, this is like a contour side. You can use this side as like maybe a nose contour or eyeshadow. I'm not really sure, but this brush would go really well with the Too Faced Contour palette. Lastly, I have Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing 6-piece face masks. Comes in this huge box. This is something I'm not going to keep. These are those like really jelly kind of face masks. They look like sheet masks, but they're the thicker gel ones. Do you want this? And I'm just not into that type of product. This retails for $25, but I'm just going to keep this nice and sealed up, and I will resell this or put it in a giveaway, something like that. I have anything I get in Boxycharm that I don't think I will get use out of, I've been saving for a giveaway or reselling on my Poshmark or in like mock Boxycharms where I allow people to choose which products they want, people like friends and family, to recoup some of my costs, so I'm not hoarding or being forced to use a bunch of products that I don't want to. So I'm pretty happy with this premium box. It still is not blowing my socks off. I've gotten 3 months now, which I will talk about this more in my quarterly review. But we'll see if I choose to keep this subscription. We'll see. We'll discuss it in that other video. The total value of my June premium box is $185 US, so $10 over the promised value. For me, I can't reach it now that I'm holding Emmett, but the shower gel I'm pretty happy with. I wouldn't have paid $22 US for it, but I will get my use out of it. Excuse you. I'm happy with my choice item, the Milk Makeup Glow Oil. I'm really happy with the Glow recipe. However, I need to look up on whether I can use this right now or I need to set this aside. I'm torn on whether I'm going to keep my Cocoa Contour palette or not. However, I can see that this is a really great product to receive in this box. It's just because I'm a hoarder and I have the OG one. The brush I will probably pass along. Dual-ended brushes are not my favorite, and this does not feel like very high quality. I believe this to be very overpriced, and I will not be keeping my giant box of weird face masks. You got them? So, I mean, I technically got my money's worth. However, this is, I don't know. I feel like I don't have a lot of thoughts right now. Let me know if you received this June premium box, if you would be happy with this month's box. I feel like I'm just kind of like, it's okay, it's good. I'm not mad about it, but I'm not as happy as my base box. So for me this month, if we were comparing the two, like which subscription should you get, I would totally say the base box subscription is better for your money based on the products that I received this month. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!